See if we can open up the wastegate a little bit. Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 05 STi. So this week we are still tuning the car, so I just sent some more logs back to Mikey. So maybe we'll get some logs back today, so fingers crossed on that. But today we just got a nice, easy video just to sprucing up our engine bay just a little bit. So IAG just released a new line of engine bay products. Let me show you what we got over at the bench, and let's get it installed. Let's go. All right, so over here at the bench, we have IAG's full lineup of their new Revolve engine bay caps, plus we have some of their new radiator stays. Now I do have one other one right here. This is for the coolant. I did try to just snug this one on, and it looks like just because we have the Cobb reservoir from our front mount kit, I think that's the only one that we're not going to be using currently. But we got all of these nice products to install. New dipstick, we got our brake reservoir, this is power steering, oil, brake, and no, this is clutch, sorry about that. And then our washer fluid. So the washer fluid one on the car already a little broken, that's okay. But we got some new stuff to sprucing this up. And then these two, the alternator and our AC compressor, they're just original. 20 years old, so the cover that we got will cover some of this just to make it look a little bit nicer. So I'm super excited to get this stuff installed. Just in the meantime, while we are waiting to get this car finished tuned, and once it is done tuned, we will have that video out. But let's jump over to the bench, let's get some of these unboxed, and let's just start putting some of this stuff on the 05 and let's see how it looks. Before we just get everything installed, I do want to note that with the radiator stays, it comes with two brand new OEM grommets. And same thing with the oil cap, it comes with a new OEM gasket. So just wanted to note that they do come with some OEM parts. Everything else should just slip right on. Oh yeah, and then the clutch and the brake. There are these little rubber diaphragms that I'll show you guys, so you just transfer over to here and you should be all set. But yeah, let's get these swapped over and I'll show you those rubber diaphragms and then we'll see how everything looks. All right, so over here at the bench, we have our brake cap and our IAG one. This is the little rubber seal I was talking about. Just make sure you pay attention to the orientation as far as this is the bottom side and then this is the top side. So just make sure you put it back in the same way. And then this should be able to screw right on. All right, and the last cap that we are swapping out is our clutch one. So this is the stock gasket out of the stock cap. This just pries right out of it and this just clips right in, and then you spin it, you see the slot right there, and then it gets locked in. So let's get our last cap on and let's check it out. All right, and the last thing we have to install here is our alternator cover. We have the red insert here, so let's get this installed. And there we have it. Our full engine bay dress-up kit is installed. It looks really good. It almost looks as good as our 22 WRX. But we're still not done with some underhood dress-up stuff in the future. But this is definitely a big upgrade with these IAG engine bay caps and the IAG alternator cover. I mean, it just looks really good. The red contrasting with the OEM red intake manifold. Then we got all the gold accessories to match our gold fuel rails, which can't really see, but I can see them. I know they're there. And we do have some gold hardware on there. In the future, I would like to wrap some of these pipes gold, just like on our 22 over there, to just really make the engine bay pop. But we're still trying to get the tune dialed in. We are on base map or revision number 3, trying to get the car to run perfect with the speed density conversion, because we do have our MAF block off over here on our intake, and we do have the iWire speed density kit plugged into our Cobb front mount intercooler. That's all I got for you guys on this one. Quick fun video of upgrading our engine bay dress up. So until next time, see you guys.